agus falchirash go auran na shachgine call the rounds Josie Duncan. Hello and welcome back to Song of the Week with me, Josie Duncan. This week we're going to be learning a traditional song called Crolai nam Botoch, the old man's calving cows. As is very common in these songs, the title of the song is also the first line. Crolai nam Botoch. Crolai nam Botoch. And we're going to say this 3 times now. Crolai nam Botoch. Crolai nam Botoch. Crolai nam Botoch. And the last line is Gan tokal riglaun. Gan tokal riglaun. So the whole of the first verse goes like this. Crolai nam Botoch. Crolai nam Botoch. Crolai nam Botoch. Gan tokal riglaun. Now here's the first line of our melody. Crolai nam Botoch. One more time. Crolai nam Botoch. And now here is the second line of our melody with the same words. Crolai nam Botoch. Crolai nam Botoch. Crolai nam Botoch. Now the third line is just a repeat of the first line. Crolai nam Botoch. Crolai nam Botoch. Now we have Gan tokal riglaun. Gan tokal riglaun. And the melody goes like this. Gan tokal riglaun. You can add a wee grace note. Glaun. Gan tokal riglaun. Now we have our verse. And the first line of our verse is Maha mohoked. If so, who cares? Maha mohoked. Then remember, once we've learnt our first line, it means we've learnt line 1, 2 and 3. So let's try that 3 times. Maha mohoked. Maha mohoked. Maha mohoked. Maha mohoked. Then we come to our last line, which is Chanyel mochro aun. My cows are not there. My cattle is not there. Chanyel mochro aun. Chanyel mochro aun. So what do I care? My cattle are not there. The melody for the verse is very similar, but we have a few wee high notes that we don't have in our chorus. And it sounds like this. Maha mohoked. Maha mohoked. So that second line, watch out for that. Maha mohoked. And then our first line repeats. Maha mohoked. Chanyel mochro aun. Chanyel mochro aun. Chanyel mochro aun. Now let's put the verse all together. I'll sing it nice and slow. Maha mohoked. Maha mohoked. Maha mohoked. Chanyel mochro aun. And now we're going to repeat our chorus, nice and slow. Crolai nam Botoch. Crolai nam Botoch. Crolai nam Botoch. Gan tokal riglaun. So now we're going to sing chorus, verse, chorus, and that's the whole song. Crolai nam Botoch. Crolai nam Botoch. Crolai nam Botoch. Gan tokal riglaun. Maha mohoked. Maha mohoked. Maha mohoked. Chanyel hocal riglawn. Crolai ng botoch. Thank you very much for singing with me. Cheers!